In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download leads from Snapchat Ads Manager. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV or Excel file of your form submissions ready to share with your team or import into your CRM. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Snapchat ads. You're looking for the official Snapchat Ads Manager site, so make sure you click the legitimate link that takes you to the ads platform, not a help article or third-party page. Once you're on the Ads Manager landing page, click Login. Use the business credentials associated with the ad account that collected your leads. If your organization uses two-factor authentication, have that ready as well. After you're in, look to the top left corner for the business menu. Click it, then select Manage Ads. This takes you to the main dashboard where your campaigns are listed. Here, find the native lead generation campaign you want to export from. If you have a lot of activity, use the search bar or sort by objective to surface campaigns using Snapchat's lead generation objective. Double-check that you're viewing the correct ad account and the right date range so your export includes the time period you care about. With the campaign list in view, look for the download icon positioned under the plus Create Campaign button. It's near the top area of the campaigns table. Click that icon to begin your export. An export configuration pop-up will appear. In this window, make sure Account Leads is selected. This option compiles the leads collected through native Snapchat lead forms across your account, so you don't miss submissions tied to different ad sets or ads under the same campaign. Once you've confirmed account leads, click Export. The system will process your request and send you a notification when the file is ready. Watch for the notification in Ads Manager, typically in the Notifications area near the top of the interface. Click the notification to download your file and choose your preferred format, CSV or Excel, depending on how you plan to open and analyze the data. After downloading, open the file in your spreadsheet tool. You should see standard fields such as contact details and any answers to custom questions you included on your form. If your columns look out of order, adjust your view or headers. The raw data is intact. Remember to handle the file securely since it contains personal information. Store it in a protected location and limit access to those who need it. That's it. You searched for Snapchat ads, logged in, navigated to Manage Ads, located your campaign, used the download icon, selected account leads in the export pop-up, and downloaded the notification when it was ready. Follow these steps anytime you need the latest lead submissions from Snapchat Ads Manager.